Okay, we made proper adjustments just by moving the screw hole, and it looks good. What I did was I had that screw in that hole. I pushed the dishwasher back a little further and put it in the middle one. So now our top's good. It's a little tough to reach those, so we're going to drop it over here from our legs. This is like the first step in which we done when we took the other one out. Okay. Easy enough. Now up top, my fat plumber hands come get in here to mess with this. But don't tell my old lady because I don't do dishes. Alright. About done, fellas. Got everything where we want it. I don't like how far this sticks out, but that's what we're left with on this style dishwasher. You know, it has to be far enough out so that we can reach the buttons, and I mean, it is what it is. It ain't going back in there no further.